Hey fam, welcome back to the 10 Star.
So we are back again with another video and भाई ये क्या देखने को मिल रहा है अभी रिसेंटली आपने देखा होगा एमवे की लाइव स्ट्रीम हुई उसके बाद से कुछ ऐसी कंट्रोवर्सीज हो रही हैं एक ट्रैक निकाला है लजारस ने स्विफ्टी मैकवे के साथ जो D12 का मेंबर है एंड द ट्रैक नेम इज डेथ ब्लो
And I mean, the name suffices itself that it is going to be something really brutal. And एक warning का sign भी है अगर हम देखें तो.
वार्निंग का साइन भी है एंड काफ़ी रिक्वेस्ट भी आ रही थी कि एमवी को डिस करा भाई लजारस का ट्रैक कवर करो. सो मज़ा आने वाला है. कांट वेट क्योंकि एमवी को डिस करने का मतलब आप समझ रहे हो ना. मज़ा आएगा. लेट्स बिगिन और देखते हैं ट्रैक कैसा है.
It contains strong language and violence.
ओ भाई साहब किससे पंगा ले लिया है?
You's a cheater, you's a snake, a deceiver, you a fake, you's a fraud, you's a chore, you can't fool them anymore. You's a cheater, you's a snake, a deceiver, you a fake, you's a fraud, you's a chore, you can't fool them anymore.
This my death blow, noose around the neck flow. All of y'all just talk about me, but you never step though. Doctor got the best dope, nothing you.
आपने सुना स्टार्टिंग में जो लाइंस आ रही हैं.
Yes.
He's a fake, he's a chore.
What I heard, but what I saw also, I mean, like, no holding back. ऐसा नहीं है कुछ subtle way में कुछ हो रहा हो. Like, straight out, blow out, just writing the name and crossing it out.
Okay, let's go. मैंने captions भी on कर दिया थोड़ा सा और easy हो जाएगा to, for the viewers as well.
You could test, no. Got your hands hanging off the ledge and I just let go.
Ha! I'm not radical, black calico, shattered cantaloupes, this rap Hannibal Lecter, animalistic, catapulted and landed, swallowing a handful of bath salts. I'm not a fan of you, my crew is intangible, reanimator, hard to touch like a hot potato, lyrical radiator. Soon as a hater try to play me, his whole body would detonate till they see his face flying on the other side of Grenada. I'm labeled a rhyme killer that's fatal. You a fable and not stable enough to sit at tables with bosses. You better keep walking before you make a mistake and step your ass on a live cable. We shocking 9mm or take his noggin off of his neck or he still talking. He ping-ponging against the sidewalk. I'm a marksman, hazardous bastard. Me and Lazarus got a passion to slash the masses. Blood traveling down a path that lasts from Detroit to Calabasas. Cash is clay of the golden age. I'm holding the cave while you hoes burning sage. These demons will never go away. Last army in D12, we known to slay.
You's a snake, a deceiver, you a fake, you's a fraud, you's
भाई साहब ये कुछ ज़्यादा ही हो रहा है क्योंकि
That was literally.
क्योंकि we all know कि एमिवे is a very very big fan and मतलब Eminem को
Yeah,
starting से
of course.
है ना and coming from McWay and he's just saying you are a fraud, you are a chore, you can't fool them anymore. Oh
That's a very
my
personal
God. And
this,
he's saying like Lazarus and McWay like you can't beat this duo. Oh God,
Well,
crazy.
we have seen a lot of diss tracks. But
हाँ
this
बट
has seemed-
एमवे से डिस अगर निकाल रहे हैं तो भाई वो तो फिर
a chore, you can't fool them anymore. You's a cheater, you's a snake, a deceiver, you a fake, you's a fraud, you's a chore, you can't fool them anymore. This my death blow, noose around the neck flow. All of y'all just talk about me, but you never step though. Doctor got the best dope, nothing you could test, no. Got your hands hanging off the ledge and I just let go. I'm here to kill the shaitan, napalm, game on. Dr. Khan will stay calm. Nawazudin, Salahuddin, with shades of King Kong, blades drawn, break dawn. One man's justice to right who they wrong. You say you spent some money? Well, you know I spent more. Ask anyone with any sense. Now which was the choice? I got you a visa 2 times. You still didn't board. Then you cancel DTA. Kept the fans all ignored. Bringing countries into this. Why you bringing division? Hip hop is for unity. Truthier, you're stuck in a prison. You still play by the rules. Number 1 independent. Auto-tune, R&B, singer mumbles a sentence. You a tool, copy paste rapper, useless meme. You do anything for content on that YouTube screen. See, your life is all about views and streams. See, my life is all about saving human beings. I freestyle on who kid. You freestyle on
भाई साहब oh God भाई
I am a
साहब
little.
मतलब he clearly mentioned कि भाई मैंने टिकट विकेट कराई थी but you didn't come and that's your fault and you are just a you are just a streamer and हम देखते हैं आजकल जैसे
A lot of people I think in the past also have accused MEV for the same. like bola ही है कि he's just doing it for the YouTube views, but again there have been very counter attacks for this.
देखो आप जो मर्जी बोलो, एज अ मतलब अगर आर्टिस्ट की बात करूंगा, आई रिस्पेक्ट एमी वे क्योंकि ही इज टू गुड
यार इतना अचीव करा उसने, इट्स नो जोक।
एंड हमने जर्नी फॉलो करी है तो वो तो छोड़ो, उस पे तो बात ही क्या ही करनी है। ओह माय गॉड,
I'm with the God MC on this CD. Maisie, who you crew with? I'm Jay-Z on that blueprint. Can't play me, I'm exuberant. I'm that Desi who went crazy with Angrezi. Paved the movement. This Fugazi needs improvement. Some assistance, please. Son, your chopper flow is liver crispy. It's listy. Hey, you said you was a Muslim. Got a Christmas tree. A simp sitting in Finland thinks he's dissing me. Talking about my moochie. Keep your distance, B. Before I cock you in your face next time you mention me. Hey, yo, let's line up all the stars. The rhymers who got bars. This one goes to King, Divine, Raftar, and all those who can truly see the bitch you are. You rad Godard with that fake handshake in Qatar. You then betray. And if this how you gon' end your play, then I'ma have to change your genre like NGK. Hit you with that Eva, smoke you like Khalifa. I'm about to make you sweat like when Krishna did Swalina. But I got info on her that you can never clean up. We can say that for
to be honest, ये थोड़ा सा ज्यादा हो गया, मतलब स्वालिना का नाम नहीं लेना चाहिए था जो कृष्णा ने करा था।
Last time जब I think that time also we said that this is something personal because आप ऐसे नहीं जाते।
हाँ, और इसमें तो चलो अभी मुझे अब तक ठीक लग रहा था कि जब जैसे ना एमवीए के साथ साथ मतलब रफ्तार का नाम लिया, किंग का नाम लिया, डिवाइन का नाम लिया, एंड उसके बाद सोलिना का नाम लेना, ओह दैट वाज थोड़ा सा भाई ज़्यादा हो गया। लेकिन ये भाई इसके बाद मुझे लग रहा है एमवीए के साइड से रिप्लाई आएगा, क्योंकि एमवीए को जब ऐसे छेड़ता है ना कोई, लाइक बीनी बिलो द बेल्ट, खतरनाक सीन भाई।
felony, it's the misdemeanor. And now you shouting Ika. He just took the song you were on and he just made it sicker. Didn't have to wait 3 years, he's a little quicker. His rhymes a little slicker. Shoulda had your verses done, why? Now all I hear is bicker. All you ever were is a slim, shady wannabe. Get the Emmy out your name, bitch. This is my city. Gonna collaborate with Eminem? Yeah, I'ma see. Why don't you look in the mirror first, you vile atrocity? And every verse that the sucker ever sent back to me, both Biz and Swift said was unsatisfactory. A catastrophe on a feature with tech does it want to see me gon' rip him open another left back to me. Not my league, so full of shit needs a colostomy. You call me a chore, but there is no cost to me. You send bots out the troll, still not in control. Bitch, I'm on patrol. All that time you just stole. He's not even a rapper, he just jumps and shouts out. Dissing another artist for not getting a shout out. 20 million subs and you still don't got clout. You're India's Jake Paul and you just got knocked out.
Oh man. That was crazy, bro.
Okay, to be honest,
very brutal.
देखो अगर मैं थोड़ी सी लाइंस की बात करूं तो कुछ जगहों पे ऐसे हुआ कि भाई ज़्यादा हो गया, लेकिन अगर मतलब मैं इसको
ऐसे डिस हटा के ऐसे सिर्फ ट्रैक देखें तो ट्रैक वाज कूल।
हाँ, ट्रैक अच्छा था, फ्लो अच्छा था,
yes, the flow was
bars
sick.
were good.
Yes, all those factors as a track was good, but if you talk about the diss, I think this went a little too personal.
मतलब ये तो वो है ना, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अगर आप थोड़ा सा इतना पर्सनल नहीं जाओगे तो आप सामने वाले से रिप्लाई भी एक्सपेक्ट नहीं करोगे। अगर मेरे को चाहिए अगर मेरे को चाहिए कि मैं डिस गेम में उतरूं और मुझे चाहिए कि एमवीए की साइड से अगर मैं जिसको डिस कर रहा हूँ मुझे उससे रिप्लाई चाहिए, तो मुझे थोड़ा सा ऐसा हिट करना पड़ेगा उसको कि यार सामने वाला थोड़ा सा ट्रिगर हो जाए कि अब रिप्लाई आएगा।
I mean there were a lot of triggering points, but the thing is जो मुझे पर्सनली सबसे ज्यादा लगा,
you are just जेक पॉल वाली जो
जेक पॉल हो गया, स्वालिना का हो गया, but then there is one more, एक आपका आइडल होता है ना, taking someone from the idol, that was really personal. I mean like if someone did that to me, I would feel sad.
जैसे we all know कि मैकवे एमिनेम का सीन थोड़ा सा है, तो एमिनेम के साथ जो एमिवे का कोलैब, एमिवे ऑब्वियसली बात है आप चाहते हो कि यार जिसको यू आइडलाइज यू वांट कि मैं कोलैब करूं, है ना, तो वो बोल दिया कि भाई तू करके दिखा, क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली बात है ही इज मोर क्लोज टू एमिनेम, तो वो थोड़ा सा कैसे होगा क्या नहीं होगा we don't know. बाकी देखते हैं रिप्लाई आता है नहीं आता है। खतरनाक
I would be interested to see the reply क्योंकि मुझे पता है एमीवे would bring something definitely.
बाकी आप बताओ गाइस, टीम एमीवे और टीम लजारस और मैकवे, कमेंट डाउन बिलो, एंड आपको क्या लगता है एमीवे की साइड से रिप्लाई आएगा कि नहीं आएगा? एंड इफ यू एंजॉयड वाचिंग दिस ट्रैक
make
with
sure
us,
you give us a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and you can follow us on Instagram, link is in description, and just remember one thing, you have to grind to shine. Take care,
bye bye.